watching Action News 5 at 10.
If you think your home is safe just because the door is locked, think again.
Bad guys may be able to slip into your house with very little effort by trying something called lock bumping. Action News 5's Daryl Phillips uncovers the threat and shows what to do about it.
Memphian Cindy Sinclair has a 1-year-old son. To her, security is everything.
It was certainly important before, but now that we have a baby, that's all I think about. I just want to make sure that he's okay.
She was stunned by this story, and you will be too. Everyone who sees this in action is stunned.
I think that's pretty scary, that someone could break into our house.
It's called lock bumping, and safety experts say this technique works on more than 90% of homes.
The good guys need to know what to watch out for. The bad guys are going to find out what to do. So why should the public not know what's happening?
The trick? A special series of cuts on a regular old house key, and a tap or a series of taps will do the trick.
This key does not fit this lock.
This one doesn't.
There's no way that I can make it jiggle it, wiggle it, do anything to make it fit.
Right. That's bumping.
That's bumping.
Memphis locksmith Glenn Pfeiffer says you need to worry about this because it is so easy. Even a 10-year-old can do it. We tried to talk with police from multiple agencies about it, but they wouldn't even do an interview, either because they didn't know about it or didn't want to take heat for telling people about it. But with lock bumping how-tos buzzing across the internet, we decided it was time to find solutions. And with the digital underworld abuzz about this new threat, safety experts say it's time to key in. Daryl Phillips, Action News 5.
Now, you probably noticed that we did not show you how to make a bump key. Several viewers emailed us today concerned we would be telling criminals how to use this technique. Our goal was to make you aware so that you can better protect yourself. We felt it would be irresponsible not to tell you about it.